London.
My hair looked crazy.
Oh, why is it so zoomed in? Anyway, we're in the car. We're about to head to mom's house to drop off my child. Are you excited? You're gonna hang out with grandma? Yippee! He's so mad. He hates the car. Anyway, let's go. How you feeling, mom? Okay. Mom was a little nervous and so am I. Everyone say a prayer for my mom, please. And say a prayer for my daughter. Just left my mother. See if I can spot her. Bye, mom. Okay, we just made it through security and now I'm gonna go to my gate. I'm having the worst cramps of my entire life. Alright, well, I'm literally here early. My flight leaves in an hour and 40 minutes. So now we just chill. So I first fly to Denver from Salt Lake, and then from Denver I go straight to London, and then I get to see my bestie, and it's a red eye, and so I'll like go to sleep and then wake up in London. I'm so excited.
The Salt Lake City airport is smoke-free.
Guys, I'm
Individual City airport in
Now we wait. I'm on the plane. Didn't pull out my camera because I'm too embarrassed.
Do check the TV monitors and update information.
Off the plane officially. Walking to customs as we speak. I can't wait to see a best friend. Can't wait to see Haley. I've got my bags. And I think Haley is this way, but I'm not positive, so we're just gonna kind of wander around. I see her. Hello, vlog.
Do you know what jacket you're wearing?
No.
Taking my pants off, don't look.
Haley's taking off her pants. We have had a crazy past few hours. Crazy as in just hip hopping around and me being sleepy.
Nap time.
Took a little nap and yeah, we're back. We're better than ever. Basically,
Ready to go.
We're in London. We're in, where are we?
Covent Garden.
Covent Garden, right.
Soho.
Covent Garden, Soho. And we're in our little hotel. Look how cute our little view is. It's so adorbs. We're about to like go walk around slash get dinner slash just shop.
Go to Boots.
Go to Boots. So let me actually like explain what I'm doing here because I haven't sat down and made an intro for this video. But basically, Haley, bestie boo, has been studying abroad in London for the past 4 months. And when she first left, she was like, oh my gosh, come visit me. And I said, oh my gosh, okay, fine. You've convinced me. So booked a trip. We're in London for 2 days. Then we beat bop over to Paris. And we're in Paris for 2 days. And then we go to Mallorca for 2 days. And then I go home. And I thought, what better way to do it than to vlog it?
Right.
Right. But anyway, yes, I'm vlogging. I didn't do my hair, can you tell? I was debating whether or not to put this all in one long video or if I should split it up. Decided to split it up because we're gonna be doing too much for one singular vlog. That would be way too long for you guys and I don't feel like editing that whole thing. So this is the London vlog and then there will be a Paris vlog and there will be a Mallorca vlog. Very excited. Has the British accent slipped out already? Yes. She has come out multiple times today. Anyway, very happy, very excited to be here. It is a 7-hour time difference. This is my first time traveling in this way. So right now at home, it is almost... Oh, my mother just texted me. Why do you insist on ignoring your poor mother? Let me see where you are, what you're doing, and what your thoughts are and feelings. Sorry, mother, we've been busy. Right now at home, it's like almost 10 o'clock, I think, or maybe 11. I don't know. So, some adjusting is gonna have to be done, but that's okay, because I'm a tough cookie. I can do it. I still haven't drank my Red Bull.
Girl, my airport gift to you.
I'm so sorry.
How dare you? It's lukewarm now.
I am drinking this at 5:40 p.m. I still haven't tried the peach one, but yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm so happy to be here and I'm so excited to explore. You know me, I love a good adventure. Yeah. Okay, now I have to go Snapchat my mother and tell her what I'm doing.
If we hurry fast, we could probably make it to Sugar Town.
Miss Girl, I'm ready. I have to put shoes on and a jacket and then I'm ready to leave this hoe. Let's go. Cute. We have arrived at dinner. We have arrived. This place is called I'm gonna jam jai. But I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. I haven't had like a good meal in a long time because even like the plain food was a little very good. Very excited.
With it, but it's just.
What's the first thing we got?
Stir-fried chicken.
Taste test? Cheers. Yummy.
Let's see what goes.
Guys, that's really good. Okay, meal 2 and 3 has arrived. What is this one?
These are the Dan Dan noodles.
Yummy.
And these are the pork something.
Pork something. Oh, these are like wontons. Whoa! Really hot.
Whoa, really hot.
Delicious. 10 out of 10.
Very hot.
Hey guys, we're back. We're back in the hotel. We're both a little out of it. But we are gonna try some London candy really fast.
Good job.
Squashies. I see these on TikTok shop all the time.
I love these.
We have strawberry and cream.
That's my favorite flavor. Oh.
Strawberry and cream, and then what's that one? Like banana?
Banana blueberry.
These are her favorite. I picked those ones out.
Haven't tried these. I'm opening this really weird. Okay.
Cheers. Oh, not good. I like these. The texture is
Those
really
are
good.
really good. That's just interesting. I don't know. I can taste both flavors like very distinctly. It tastes like how Sunbum smells.
Oh, that's a good way to describe it. I like
That smell is radioactive. But those are good, aren't they?
I like these, yeah. Other things I wanted to try.
Did we?
Fruitella.
Not to be confused with Nutella.
No, don't be confused now. Wait.
They look like Starburst.
These low-key might be the candy I discovered in Mexico when I went that I was like in love with. Oh my gosh. This is actually crazy.
Is this?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have rediscovered these.
Those are really good. I want those, yeah.
Fizzy bubblegum bottles by Sainsbury. The little baby. I'm a fan.
I thought they'd be squishier.
I love how chewy they are. Okay, well, that's it. We're going to bed now, but I'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Deuces. Deuces! Good morning. We're going to Blank Street. Coffee.
Matcha.
Get a matcha. Cloudy, it's cold. Not a fan. Didn't know who.
Welcome to London.
Why? But we're awake. We're up. Took a minute for me to get out of bed, but that's okay.
She's jet lagged. It's okay.
But anyway, I'm just the cute little American vlogging on her vlog camera. How much more basic can I get? Hey guys.
Hi. Yum.
Yummy. Now we're getting ready for the day. Oh, but don't even fret, guys. Don't even worry. The full makeup routine is here. Traveled with me.
Don't worry, guys.
Don't worry, guys.
This is sponsored by you.
I was just gonna say that. Make it out of time. Hi. Guys, everyone at home is asleep and it's so boring because like
Nobody's active.
no one's talking to me.
Sad.
I only like it when people talk to me.
Or one person.
Okay, let's do our makeup.
Oh, I got started.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
What is that?
Let me glotion. It's the new packaging.
Oh.
Because I ran out of mine. I bought this like last week.
I'm starting with the road glazing though. Look how cute the tiny
That's
one
adorable. I
is.
didn't know they made. Where's that bell coming from?
I don't know, and it's kind of going off at random times.
So what time is that?
Oh, it's 11. I'm now using the Westman Atelier like primer serum, skin activator serum. Activate the skin, duh. Now I'm gonna use the Refi Hydrate and Blur primer. Got a good night's rest last night. I was out and I fell asleep so fast.
Sleepy.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix the Kosas. Look at the babe.
It's so cute.
Dream Beam Sunlit sunscreen, and now the Lumi Glotion. I low-key put way too much, but that's okay. It's us.
I'm glad they came with. Which one's me and which one's you?
I'm probably the sloth because I'm always tired.
You're jet lagged. Do you have excuse?
We're gonna do Westman Atelier, whatever. Bronzer drops, Slay. Slay Say. Super glowy gel, shade Warm Glow. You haven't been saying what products you're using. Yes, everyone is curious, right guys?
I don't think they want to know how I do my makeup. I'm using the Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation.
I'm using the Merit Skin Complexion Stick thingy to cover up any of these bad boy breakouts. We're also just like gonna give me some grace with my makeup because this is the mirror I'm working with, guys. Okay, also Ardell Brow Glue. Glued them brows down. I keep sneezing here.
You sneeze in sets of 5. Bless you.
5.
You sneeze like 6 times in a row. Okay, next I'm using the Glossier Balm Concealer.
I'm using Kosas Eye Brightener in shade Magic. Rare Beauty Contour.
Yes.
It's really good. Oh my gosh, you have used that.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I've had it since before I left.
Guys.
I hit pan.
I just need to clean this freaking mirror because like why is it disgusting?
Things are getting crazy over here.
Why?
My hairline. Even with a clip.
Well, my makeup doesn't even look blended, so.
I will never know until I'm outside. Do you recognize this?
Wait, yeah, what?
You gave me this?
I gave you that?
Do you recognize this?
Oh my gosh. That's really old.
Fenty concealer.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix Rhode Plum, being very careful because this is very
Never a problem.
and shade Piggy. I wouldn't say it's like never a problem. I would say it can be a problem.
A potential problem, maybe.
Cause you're in. Always blend to the alien. You know, I bring my blush on my eyelid because of you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Makeup expert here.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna use these 2 shades in this palette from Hourglass, the 2023 Holiday Collection palette. It's just like, you can't make that up. You really can't
That did
make
not
that
just
up.
happen to me.
Crazy.
Well, I'm gonna hold it upright. Does that happen to yours?
No.
This is so intense.
London, and you break down.
I think this got away from me. Did you just blow dry your face?
I did.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Obviously it does if you do it, but...
So if anyone was wondering, yes, Binky's hair did come to London. This is on the feeling sing. Guys, I'm gonna make cringy TikToks at Big Ben today. Oh yeah, tell them what we're doing today.
We are going to Big Ben, obviously, and then Buckingham Palace, and we're going to Westminster Abbey. They're all right next to each other, so we're doing that, and then we're going to Oxford Street and Regent Street for some shopping, and then maybe lunch, and then Selfridges. I'm so excited for you to go to Selfridges. It has literally everything.
You're in
London.
and I break down.
Okay, be honest, is that crazy?
No.
Okay.
No, not at all. It's like as much as I put on. I'll probably put on more later too.
Thanks.
I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury 90s Pink to line the
You wanna pick a lip combo for me?
Yes, Piggy by Rhode as a little lipstick. Dibs Beauty Italian Soda.
Do they sell that in store?
I saw an Ulta. That damn smirk. I always think about that when I smirk.
This and Yap. B. Yes. Those ones freak me out, the knuckle.
Let's see if my knuckle popped. Oh! We've been asked multiple times if we're related. Can you guys see it?
I wonder why.
Oh, so these are different colors, right?
Right.
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Who is that? Mr. Benjamin?
Victoria Benjamin. Love.
Is that?
Is it in there?
Boom.
Love London.
We love London. Just walking around. We're gonna go take some pictures, make some TikToks, obviously. It's actually a lot nicer outside than we were expecting.
I was bundled up for the cold.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, it is.
Hey guys. Look who it is. It's Big Ben.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Hi. Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty. So we just had lunch and I completely forgot to film. But we had it at this cute like pub. Yummy.
Cheers.
Oh, I'm gonna drop my purse. Like, look how adorable. And I had a delicious burger, had a little non-alcoholic beverage.
Thank you.
I need a Red Bull. I'm getting a little sleepy. And from now we're gonna go to Oxford Street and we're gonna do some shopping. And then we're gonna go home and we're gonna rest for a little bit for dinner. And then yeah. Hey guys, oh why is it so zoomed in? Hey guys, we're back at the hotel and I got the summer edition white peach Red Bull and we're gonna do a taste test together.
Oh, have you haven't had it yet, right?
No ma'am.
I think you'll like it.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Huge peach fan,
So
loving
good.
this. Now we are going to relax. Getting a little loopy, but just wanted to update you guys.
Hey girl. Hi.
Wow, okay, flat hair.
Tilly day one, no Dyson.
Oh, it's okay. You get used to it.
I'm sitting like fully like on you guys. Oh gosh, okay.
Oh my.
Oh!
No way.
Are we,
I'm
like, all
so
in it?
sorry. This might be fugly. Guys.
So that was crazy.
I don't know that that was my best.
4 minutes, we'll find out.
Hey guys, what's up? I haven't updated you guys in quite a minute, but we're at dinner now. Taste test.
Spoon is a crazy choice.
Let us know.
Yummy. Tilly, what are you drinking? Tilly, Tilly, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking a passion fruit lemonade.
Yum.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's the next day and we're on the train. Hashtag Eurostar. Hashtag going to Paris. Hashtag
See you soon.
see you soon. Hashtag vlog is over. London vlog has concluded, but I'll see you guys very soon for Paris. Ready? Love this vlog. We were in London for that long. I feel like this might be the most boring vlog because it's gonna be kind of short. But just you wait. Paris is gonna go so hard. Anyway, I love you guys. See you so soon.